Hello my friends, now I will show you how I installed AMG rear sway bar on my car. This is the stock one I have removed, and to remove the sway bar from W210 rear chassis you must drop the subframe, and for this you must unbolt the two front subframe bolts E40 Torx and also E40 Torx for the rear two subframe bolts. But before do it, place the jack under the differential to secure the assembly and prevent any uh, aggressive dropping of it. Also, you can place the jack stands under the front subframe bushings and then loose the bolts very gentle. It will let you to achieve enough space to remove the sway bar, otherwise it is impossible. Here is the view from under my car, and once again the rear sway bar bushings E40 Torx bolts, loosen them. Also loosen the front sway bar bushing bolts, they are E40 Torx. Jack is under the differential, and then you can play with the jack to drop the subframe down very gentle and reach the space. Then remove the sway bar and install new one. It is not easy job, it needs time and it is quite difficult, but if you will be gentle you will be able to do the job properly. Make sure the bolts for the sway bar on the chassis is 28 or 30 Newton meters. Sway bar to the sway bar link not 30 Newton meters, and subframe bushing bolts E40 Torx must be tightened to the 90 Newton meters, and that's all. Hope you like the video. If you have any questions, please ask me. I will very glad to answer. Catch you in the next episodes. Thanks for watching and goodbye.